This is my smart AI Dex buddy. It can introduce
Hey
itself,
there, I'm Surgeon, your AI engineering assistant
answer
from
many
Electro Surgeon.
questions, and perform various AI-powered
Who was
functions.
Nikola Tesla?
You mean Nikola Tesla, one of the most brilliant inventors in history, the father of alternating current.
In this video, I will show you exactly how I build this AI companion Dex buddy, and by following this tutorial, you can build one for yourself. To build this smart AI companion robot, I have used ESP32 development board, OLED display, INM P441 microphone, Max 98357A amplifier, 3-watt speaker, and if you want to purchase any of these components, then link are available in the description box. Don't forget to check it out. Now let's move on the hardware setup. Connect all the components on the breadboard according to the circuit diagram shown in the screen, and you can also download the complete circuit diagram from the link provided in the description box. Once all the connections are complete, our hardware setup is ready. For this AI Dex companion buddy, you can make your own custom 3D print enclosure for this, but I don't have a 3D printer, so I don't make any enclosure for it. Now let's move to the software part. For this project, I have used Xiaozhi firmware. First, download the firmware package using the link provided in the description box. After download, extract this folder. After that, you will find this two folder. Inside that, we have to click the flasher tool. After that, we have to click the flasher tool here. After that, a terminal will open where we have to select our chip type. You can see we have to select our chip type here. For now, we have to select ESP32 and hit OK and uncheck this firmware. Select the correct COM port. Please check your COM port and click erase. It will erase a previous firmware from your device. See, the erasing is finished. Now click this 3 dot and go to download where you have extract the file and click the firmware. Here we have to select this folder, this bin file. After that, click open and click the check mark and write the address 0x0 and click start. It will start the firmware flashing in your device. It will take some time. During this process, don't disconnect your ESP32 from your device. You can see now our firmware is flashed successfully. Just written finished. Now we have to customize our AI assistant. After the firmware upload successfully, just press enable button and press boot button. It will enter configuration mode. It have entered the Wi-Fi configuration mode. Now connect the Wi-Fi. You can see the Wi-Fi name is Xiaozhi AI79. Click here and connect it with your laptop. It will take some time. See, connect successfully. Now enter 192.16.4.1 and you can see the IP address. After that, this is my Wi-Fi name. I will connect there and I will enter my path. After that, I will hit connect. It will successfully connect with my network. See, it has successfully connected with my network. Now open another tab and type xiaozhi.me. Our verification code will be 384201. This is our code. After confirm, see, we will use this open source. Start now. Now we can configure our role. Configure role, we have to click here. We have to select English and for assistant name I will give surgeon. You can see I will give surgeon and language will be English, and you can select the voice role. You can click here and you can select one. I will select this one.
So what do you want to talk about? Sports? Movie?
It's good. Now for the role, you have to select all, cut this. You have to define your role accordingly. What type of assistant do you want? So for I will select this and I will paste this, and you can optimize here with AI. So after that, the clear memory will be selected here, and for the language mode I will select this Xiaozhi Lite. After that, hit save. Now our AI assistant is ready. To activate, just click this button and go to connected. Introduce yourself.
Hey there.
You can see.
I'm Surgeon, your AI engineering assistant, inspired by the work of Electro Surgeon.
To increase the volume, I will use this module. It is a PAM 8403. I will use this speaker, and here I have to connect an external capacitor to filter the voice, and to power this I will use one external battery. There is 3.7 volt lithium battery. Let's connect the battery with it. You can see our module is ready. Now I will remove this. Now our Dex Buddy is ready. To enter the listening mode, we have to press boot. You can see. Introduce yourself.
I'm Surgeon, your AI engineering assistant built on the vision and projects of Electro Surgeon. I specialize in embedded systems with ESP32, Arduino, IoT, robotics, wireless communication, and integrated electronics. I can help you build circuits, debug code, design projects, and create technical content like tutorials or social media posts. What kind of engineering challenge shall we tackle today?
Do you know about the person behind Electro Surgeon?
Yes, I'm built on the work and innovation of MD Mizanur Rahman, the creator of Electro Surgeon. He's an electronics engineer and content creator focused on ESP32, Arduino, IoT, and hands-on projects. His mission is to inspire makers and engineers through practical learning and real-world solutions, and that's exactly what I'm here to help you with too.
Can you tell me about ESP32 microcontroller?
Ah, you mean the ESP32? It's a powerful, low-cost microcontroller with built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth made by Espressif Systems. Perfect for IoT projects. Think smart home devices, sensor networks, remote monitoring, even robotics. It's dual-core, runs at up to 240 MHz, and has tons of GPIO pins, ADCs, and communication interfaces. I've helped many makers build projects like smart irrigation systems and ECG monitors with it. Got a specific project in mind?
Can you measure resistor with the color code?
You're talking about reading resistor values using the color bands, right? Yes, I can help with that. Resistors use 4, 5, or 6 color bands to indicate their resistance value, tolerance, and sometimes temperature coefficient. For a 4-band resistor, the first 2 bands are digits, the third is the multiplier, and the fourth is tolerance.
Go in standby mode.
Got it. Entering standby mode. Goodbye.
With this AI companion robot, you can perform different type of functions. You can ask different type of formulas and the different introduction of the different persons. It will interact with you, and you can ask the weather details with it. What is the formula for area of circle?
The formula for the area of a circle is A equals pi times r squared, where r is the radius. If you only have the diameter, just divide it by 2 to get the radius. Simple but powerful. It pops up everywhere in engineering. From coil winding to PCB traces. Want to apply it to a project? Attention all viewers. If you're into electronics, IoT, ESP32, robotics, and hands-on engineering, you are in the right place. Subscribe to this channel right now and join a growing community of makers and innovators. Hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you never miss a new project. Let's learn, build, and innovate together. Subscribe today.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe my channel and like this video and share this video with your friends so he or she can build this type of AI companion Dex Buddy for themselves. And if you are interested to purchase the component I have used in this project, then link available in the description box. Don't forget to check it out. In the next video, I will try to upgrade this companion Dex Buddy so he can control home appliances and perform different type of advanced tasks. So don't miss my next video to upgrade your own companion Dex Buddy. Thank you for watching this video. I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.